talk about work breakdown structures. These are modules that contain the task to achieve an objective. If you've watched the past two videos, you're familiar with the strategic planning module, as well as the paid ads module that was edited just for awareness. There are several work breakdown structures: creating an asset with an external agency, creating an asset for internal, organic social, again the paid ad module, a webinar module, and more will be added soon. As part of our campaign brief, we decided we wanted to do an organic social promotion. So I'm going to go insert that module. To insert the module, you want to be on a level 1 line. If you try to insert a module in between, you'll notice you'll get an error message. So to do this, I would either insert it above the paid ads module, or I'm actually going to insert it afterwards, seeing it's going to keep our timeline rolling here. So after that, you hit the insert breakdown structure, and you get some hints about editing dates and start values, day values, things of that nature. So as you see, we've inserted our organic social module. There's a few things you'll need to do. 1, assign it to the right campaign. 2, update your titles for your tasks. For example, workbook. You might want to specify the asset that you're going to promote. Again, change the for here to the asset you're going to promote. Assign the owners, assign the extended team, and fix your dates. The dates come predefined, but especially the first line. The modules get inserted with today's date. It's a formula, so you need to replace that with the hard-coded date. So let's start there first. So what you do is you right-click, copy, right-click again, and you say paste values. There you notice the formula is now a hard-coded value. The formula no longer exists. Let's assign it to my campaign. I use the drop-down box in the level 1 title, and then again the drop-down box on the first line. And if you have many of them, you can copy and just paste. That'll save you some time. Update your titles. So I may want to specify a cost reduction infogram or whatever it is. Be as specific as you can. So really, that's it for inserting modules. So to review, to insert a module, you're going to pick the module you want from the drop-down box, highlight a level 1 line, and then click the Insert WBS command box.